Hillsborough Television News Breaks, connecting you to county events.
Today we're doing an agriculture tour to highlight the potential career opportunities that are available for veterans. And we're trying to show potential job seekers that there are huge opportunities in the agriculture industry as they transition out of their military service into other careers. Here in Hillsborough County we have a large concentration of veterans that are transitioning out of service, and a lot of the skill sets that they learned as part of the military transition well to agriculture industries.
I've been looking at veterans farm organizations and saw this one come up. Being local, wanted to find out what's going on near me as far as farming. Originally I was just thinking of the normal vegetable farming, but going to the landscape farm and then coming to this farm with the fruits and the winery and everything really showed how many different opportunities are available. As a veteran, we've been trained to be to both be focused and to kind of give more than we receive, which seems to be a mentality that a lot of these farmers are expressing, that it's not about making $1 million. It's about doing something you love, putting in the hard work, and that's something that I think military veterans in particular are very well suited for.
There's a lot of niche markets in Hillsborough County that are coming up, and there's a lot of veterans that are coming out that are looking for a new career. They have great skills, they have great work ethic, they have all these great things that they bring to the table, but they don't really know what to do with them. So we're trying to show them a little bit of diversity, show them a little bit of what agriculture has, and offer them what some of the niche markets might be that they might be able to fill on small acreage. The veterans do so much for us as personal Americans and as residents of Florida. We've got so many military bases here, and we need to be able to take care of them. We need to help them back.
It's an introduction to agriculture for many of the veterans because they aren't from farms originally, and a good honest assessment of what agriculture is and the challenges and the benefits to farming gives them a good honest opportunity to evaluate a career in agriculture.
Hillsborough County really is showing their support for veterans, as well as all the different agencies that they have here in Hillsborough County. The VA has come out today as well, and everybody is just trying to show their support that they have for veterans. The benefits really are is you get to see as well as be seen. The business owners that were opening their doors to us today, the farmers, the owners of the winery, they really want to show their support to veterans. And by getting that one-on-one contact, you're building your network, and really the network is what's going to help you better understand what is out there in the county, as well as get your name known.